Bai Ning Bing is going to have Fang Yuan's babies. Heaven's will has always wanted a non-human race to rise to power ever since Fate Goose destruction. Bai Ning Bing already leads the variant humans in practice. Chapter 1803 shows her at the head of variant human Gu immortals inside of Fang Yuan's own immortal aperture. The dragon men aren't a side race to him either. He personally rebuilds the bloodline through his Shuai Clone in chapter 1849, refining that clone bone by bone until it's immune to Duke Long's extermination killer move. This chapter is hinting to us that Fang Yuan has cracked Duke Long's methods and can now create his own extermination killer move to use on the Dragonmen race, giving him perfect control. Then there's the pregnancy angle. Chapter 2295, Fang Yuan wants more twins. This chapter explains it all. Fang Yuan wants more people under his control so he can harvest them for cultivation power-ups. He's already used Blood Skull Gu to boost his own talent by killing his own family, and now he's thinking about doing that on a mass scale, killing and reviving people over and over to churn out more high talent mobs. But there is a catch with Bone Flesh Unity Gu, as you need to be twins to better use it, and so that you skip straight to a higher cultivation rank. So he needs a ton of twins, and he wants them to come from variant humans specifically, since they're the most loyal to him and the easiest to grow in large numbers. By the end of the chapter, he flat out says he needs to track down Giant Sun, since Giant Sun is basically the best in the business at making people pregnant. Put it together, Fang Yuan gets Giant Sun's child-making methods, applies them to Bai Ning Bing, and mass produces twins he can raise, slaughter, and refine into cultivation resources for an ever-expanding Dragonman army, all against her will from a body that used to be male. Reverend insanity is peak fiction.